What's up YouTube world? Welcome in or welcome back. We're going to get straight into today's cool green and brown smoky eyes look. Stick around until the end of the video to see more pictures of the completed look. So to get this going, I've already put on my base using my regular foundation and set it with translucent powder. I've completed one eye, so let's get started on the other one. I'm going to use this custom MAC palette, starting with this light cream eyeshadow with this pencil brush for the highlight under the brow. Then for the first colour application, I'm going to use what's left of this soft brown with this eyeshadow brush, using a swiping and buffing motion from the crease up to the brow bone, creating a rounded edge. For the next colour application, I'm going to use this cool dark brown colour and another eyeshadow brush, using the same technique but applying slightly lower than the first colour and applying the lower lash line as well. Now grab your black eyeliner and pop this into your waterline. Then grab your black eyeshadow and a liner brush and buff this into your lower lash line. Then use black eyeshadow and a slim brush on the outer corner and in the crease. Then grab your cool dark brown again and the same brush to buff the lower lash line transition. For the eyelid, I'm going to use this cool dark shimmer green with a flat brush and dab it on until I get full coverage. Instead of liquid liner, we're going to use black eyeshadow and a short angle brush to line the upper lash line. Then use a liner brush to apply a highlighter in the inner corners of the eyes and under the brow. Now give your lashes a decent coating of mascara, then pop on your fake lashes. If you're like me and have long nails, then I would suggest using tweezers to help. I'm now going to contour using this warm bronzer and this large fluffy brush and apply below the cheekbones, around the temples and hairline, and then use a fan brush to contour the nose. I'm now going to use a soft gold highlighter with this brush and place this on the cheekbones and the nose. I'm going to use this NYX Cool Light Brown Lip Liner with a MAC lipstick called Act Natural. I'm also applying another MAC lipstick over the top called Modesty. It's one of my favourite shades ever. So that's going to do it for today. If you got something out of this tutorial, please show some love by giving that like button a hug and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any questions, then give me a follow on Instagram, send me a DM and I'll be happy to help with any questions that you might have. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome. Until the next one.